started from the bottom and now I'm rich. I got in my bag and I ain't looked back since. I started to say sorry, but fuck that shit. You started out hating, now you love my drip.
Hello ladies, let's get right into it. I have an 18-inch closure, a dome cap, my BW2 powder, and my 20 volume developer. So I'm going to unpackage the closure and show you guys how beautiful my body wave closure is. Here you can see how much volume the closure have and how it naturally shines. This is how it comes straight out of the package. Here I'm going to mix my BW2 powder with my 20 volume developer. I thought I had my comb close by, but I didn't, so I had to get up and go get my hairbrush. So you're just going to keep stirring and mixing until it becomes until like a paste, such as toothpaste. You don't want it too liquidy and you don't want it too lumpy or powdery. Okay, now I will start the application. Of course, just getting a good amount at a time and spreading it across the lace. Making sure I gently apply it without pressing it into the lace so that it may transfer through the lace onto the hair. I've actually had a few clients that likes when the hairs on the other side of the lace is bleached as well. And I'm done with that, so let's move on. So now I'm going to unpackage my body wave bundles. It is a 22, a 24, and a 26. Please ignore my son that is under the table. He wanted to be in the video some type of way. So here's the closure once I rinsed the bleach out. And as y'all can tell, it is bleached to perfection. The knots are bleached to perfection, honey. So now we're about to go ahead and get started. I'm going to open the dome cap and apply it right here to my styrofoam head so we can start this process. If y'all haven't shopped with Pure Devine before, honey, I don't know what y'all are waiting on, but this hair is fabulous. As y'all can tell, I had already hot glued the closure onto the cap, but I wanted to change the position I had the closure in. So I'm just going to pin the closure in the exact position that I want it to actually be in. And I'm actually going to sew the closure down instead of hot gluing it. So here I'm trying to ball up the hair, tie it up, get it out of my way so that when I start sewing, it won't actually like fall down or anything. But I was too lazy to go upstairs and get a rub in, so I just kind of wrapped the hair, and as you can see, it fell. So at this point I am finished, and we're just going to tie the thread into a knot. Now we're going to go in with the hot glue. Yes, this is a unit that I will be hot gluing, showing you guys how to use the hot glue gun to make a wig. So I started off putting the hot glue onto the track, the weft of the track, of course, and applying the track to the dome cap. Now, as y'all can see, this is a big blooper. Do not hot glue the track onto the elastic part of the dome cap. That part is needed to be stretched when you're putting it on your head. So here I'm just trying to get this done. A client wants a wig and I wasn't really thinking. I will later go back in on the wig, which I didn't record this part, but I took the bottom 3 tracks, which were on the elastic part of the dome cap, and I just filled them in above the track spaces that was above the elastic part of the cap. I hope y'all got a good understanding of what I was just trying to explain. Okay, so now I'm putting the glue on the cap and I'm just pressing the track into the glue. This is a high temperature hot glue gun. They have high temperature ones and they have low temperature ones. I'm actually using the high temperature ones because I needed the glue to stay hot while I'm applying it to the dome cap and pressing the tracks in. So now I have finished with that one bundle and I am unwrapping the 24-inch, which is the second bundle. Now when it comes to me getting to the third bundle, I did not use the complete bundle. I only used half of it. So this wig was made with a closure and 2.5 bundles. Did y'all just see how beautiful that hair was? Like, why are you waiting? Shop Pure Devine. Okay, boom, second bundle down, last one to go. And as y'all can tell, that is not enough space to fit a whole bundle. And at this point, I was really upset with myself because I thought I was recording and I actually ran out of storage. But those were pics of me when I tried it on, and here's my final product. Voila, it's a look. Thank you, ladies.